Welcome to Juniper Network's Learning Byte, managing vMX bridges using Virt-manager in a KVM Hypervisor. My name is Josh Verhaal. I'm with Education Services, and I'll be walking through this Learning Byte with you. So as part of this Learning Byte, we'll be adding and removing bridges to the KVM Hypervisor, and then we'll be adding and removing interfaces on a pair of vMX devices within those bridges. This page highlights the topology that we'll be using. We have two vMXs, vMX1 and vMX2, and we will be adding the bridge GIGI000 and 001 to the KVM Hypervisor, and then we will be associating the GIGI000 interfaces on vMX1 and vMX2, as well as the GIGI001 interface on both of those devices to their respective bridge. And then we'll verify using ping to verify the reachability through both of those interfaces. The vMXs have already been pre-configured with the appropriate Junos configuration. So we will just be creating the bridge and putting the interfaces in those bridges during this Learning Byte. Let's go ahead and move to the host device and begin configuring. Okay, we're on our host device. Let's go ahead and open up a terminal to our CLI, and let's start Virt-manager. We'll begin by making the changes or adding the virtual networks to the KVM Hypervisor. As you can see, we've got a few bridges already established. To add a bridge, click the Add Network, and then we'll give it a name, GIGI0.0.0, and we'll turn off DHCP, and pretty easy. And then we'll add the second bridge, GIGI-0.0.1, and we will do the same here. Finish. Okay, now we have two bridges. So we can click on the bridge. We can see that it's associated with the Virtual Bridge 2 interface. We've also got, so GIGI001 is associated with the Virtual Bridge 3 interface. That basically takes care of adding an interface. We can go ahead and add a third one and show you how to delete it. New bridge. Okay, and we do the same, and this will create a third interface or a third bridge here called new bridge. You can see that it's associated with Virtual Bridge 4, and in order to delete it, we need to first stop the bridge so that it's not running, so it's in an inactive state, and then you just click the delete button. It will prompt you to make sure that you do want to delete this bridge, select yes, and just like that, it's gone. So let's go ahead and move to our VFPs and associate our new interfaces or our interfaces with those new bridges. All right, so we'll start with the VFP for vMX1, and we want to open it, and we want to change the settings associated with the different interfaces. So the first two interfaces are reserved for the system. One is a management bridge or a management virtual NIC, and the other one is the virtual NIC used to communicate between the VFP and the VCP. So the third interface is your first Junos specific interface, and this is GIGI000. So we'll click on that, and here's where we define what bridge we want it to be associated with. So you click on that button, and you can see that we've got virtual network GIGI000 and 001 available here, and these are the two that we just created. So we'll select 000 for the interface GIGI000. We'll apply that, and then we'll go to the GIGI001 interface and associate it with its bridge domain. Okay. And that's all you have to do with the vMX1 VFP. So let's do the same on the vMX2. Same situation with the first two NICs being, or vNICs being reserved. So the first one is Gigi00, and the second one is going to be 001. And you can click on these at any time to verify which bridge that they're part of. Okay, let's go ahead and exit out of the KVM host device and go to one of our vMX devices. Let's take a look at the interfaces and make sure they're up first. Okay, we've got Gigi000, and it has a local IP address of 10.10.10.1, and we've got 001 with a local interface address of 20.20.20.1. So let's verify that we can reach through those new interfaces and bridges, or the bridges that we added in KVM and associated the interfaces with. So let's go ahead and ping 10.10.10.2. And that works fine. And let's go ahead and ping 20.20.20.2 to verify that we can reach through that second interface. Okay, that proves that we added both vMX1 and vMX2 interfaces to the appropriate bridges, and the bridges are functioning properly. Thank you for watching this Learning Byte. I hope you enjoyed it and look forward to seeing you in the next one.
Visit the Juniper Education Services website to learn more about courses. View our full range of classroom, online, and e-learning courses. Learning paths, industry segment and technology-specific training paths. Juniper Network's certification program, the ultimate demonstration of your competence. And the training community, from forums to social media. Join the discussion.